Problem 6.7. In this case, we're looking at water consumption, or bottled water consumption to be specific, of the United States, and we see that the average is 42.1 gallons. So we enter 42.1 in cell B4. This is common information. The standard deviation is 10 gallons of water. And in part A, it wants to know what is the probability that someone in the United States consumes more. So we want a greater than. So we're going to go down here, and we're going to put our 33 gallons into cell B13. In this case, we wind up with 81.86%. So the Excel sheet calculates it for you. In part B, what is the probability that someone in the United States consumes between 10 and 20 gallons? So in this case, we have a range. So we put in the 10, put in the 20, and we wind up with a probability in cell B27 of 1.29%. All the formulas that you see on the screen do all the calculations for you. So this is the way that you would do it in industry. You're not going to look it up in a table. In part C, what is the probability someone in the United States consumes less than 10 gallons? So we'll go back up. This is probability of less than, which is cell B8 to enter the information. So we go, in this case, less than 10. And we see we get a very small number, 0.0007, which is 0.07%. And that's in cell B10. And part D, we want to find the cumulative percentage. So we're going to go down to cumulative percentage here, and we enter 99. I've already formatted the cell for you. So you enter 99, and the X value that will be the maximum that you would have is 65.36 in cell B32. What that represents is 99% of, in this case, US bottled water consumers will consume 65.36 gallons per year, per capita. So anybody who consumes more than 65.36 is in the top 1% of consumption for bottled water per capita. So 99% of people consume basically 65 gallons or less. That's what that represents, and that's the answer for part D. So you would compare this to the problem 6.11, which we're going to do next. And we'll talk about part E and when I present the video for number 11.